Good morning, everybody. We got a little bit of green futures, thanks to Netflix a little bit, but most likely, I think most likely is thanks to TSM. And let's see what's going on. So we got a lot of Fed people talking today, especially Powell, and some of them later today I shared on Twitter. And yesterday was horrible, especially at the beginning. Market was a lot yo-yo, up and down until afternoon was yo-yo, and then end of the day was just a straight downward. And let's see what's going on. Pre-market right now, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is upward on the ES, and we still don't have yellow bar. Once we get a yellow bar on the ES, then we can have a turnaround up. I still like the TTM squeeze is still bullish and on the daily, but weekly, still danger is there. We can have a run up, then run down again. One bad earning, we can have a big down run. But if we see daily MACD dead cross on indexes or many name, we can go down again bigger. NQ, most greenest index this morning because of TSM, thanks to TSM. And Netflix pushed a little bit high, but TSM is the biggest reason right now, I think, is up higher. And also TNDXY pulling back. So pre-market right now, 5 to 1 hour is upward. 4 hour, we still don't have yellow bar, but MACD is curving up a little bit. But yeah, and also we got the first dark blue bar on the daily, and daily MACD is curved down, so that's not a good news. Um, Dow Jones, oh, well, let me show you one thing and another thing on NQ. On NQ, these bars are keep going lower on that weekly. So once we start getting red bars, it's not gonna be good. Just be cautious playing longs. Dow Jones, nothing special, same thing. RUT was crazy. I mean, 2 days ago it went up crazy, and then yesterday gave it all the way and then went lower even. And it's just small caps are just wild. TNX pre-market made a new high, but it pulled back a little bit, and 50 is a mental level to watch. I mean, if 50 passes, we're looking at 51.7, 54.36, and the daily MACD is golden cross. So this is a huge problem. I don't know what Powell is going to do with this. This is just getting out of control. The higher it goes, the more danger for market, the higher rates you're going to have. DXY on the other side is very interesting that it's pulling back down. It went yesterday above 106 and then it pulled back. Right now, pre-market 15:30, 1 hour is downward, and 4 hour is yesterday golden cross, and right now is dead crossing. So it's going up and down between these two levels, 105,985, 106,614. So when it breaks either one very strong, then we're gonna have a bigger move on market. Below 105, market can fly up. Above 106, market can go down. Yesterday it did go above 106, but it pulled back, and then same thing this morning. It went above 106 and it's pulling back right now. So keep an eye on DXY. That's the market direction setter. It's a big effect on market. Wix went to 2037, still didn't break it yet, and then it pulled back. Right now, pre-market 5 to 1 hour, everything is downward. 4 hour, we're getting dark blue bar. Daily is golden cross. So key levels to watch this morning is 1898 and 1865. If these two break, next target is 1812, and market can run up higher. Below 1812, it can go to the lower level. But as if at any time you see 1530 MACD the golden cross, then market can start pulling back again. To SPX, right now ES is opening to 8 points higher. So SPX 43.26 is right there. It's gonna open 43.26 most likely, and if it passes 43.30 or 43.40, 43.50 gonna come, and if market gets very crazy bullish, 43.60 to 81 is the next target. But again, if for whatever reason we drop today, Powell or any news or anything, 43 yesterday 43.03, that's a key level to watch. If we do pass 4300, next target is 42.66.71. BTC 1% higher. Still like it that the daily you have TTM squeeze there, blue bars, and the weekly we have yellow bar, but this is just too much volatile to play. Apple pre-market jumping up 1 point higher. Yesterday was very strong. Even market was pulling back and a lot of them was weak. This one a few times tried to go above 177, but whenever it went above it, pulled back. And end of the day, Apple fall made the market even go lower. And keep an eye on Apple. Right now, pre-market 5 to 1 hour is bullish. 4 hour we start getting yellow bar, and if the 4 hour MACD golden cross is gonna get interesting. There is a mixed signal. Again, you can see a lot of names. They start having dark blue bar on daily, but then the 4 hour is starting. 1 hour is golden cross on many names, and the 4 hour we start getting a little bit some bullishness, some sign of bullishness because of TSM and Netflix earning. So we'll see where market is gonna go. Apple key level to watch is 177.23. If it passes it strong, we're looking at 178.37, 179.51. If it goes again below 175, whatever reason happens, if 1530 MACD dead crosses, 174, 173.54 is the next target. Amazon, another weak name yesterday, but interesting. Pre-market is running up crazy right now. This looks actually really bullish pre-market. So just look at this. 15:30 1 hour is very bullish up there. So 131.03. If it passes that one, we're looking at 132.46, and above that can run up to the higher level. This looks crazily bullish. I like that yesterday we got the first light blue bar there, and 4 hour right now we got yellow bar. So if the 4 hour MACD golden crosses, it can go even crazier. Nvidia gap up thanks to TSM and TSM earning. 432.37 is the next target. If it passes that one, we're looking at 436, 441.76. Pre-market looking very bullish. 4 hours upward, but keep in mind daily is dead cross and weekly is downward. It can maybe go touch 432 and pull back, but gotta pay attention to the indicators. If you see touching 432.37 and 5 minutes MACD dead cross, it can go in a pullback again. But for generally right now it's very bullish. If for whatever reason it pulls back, 422, 417.17 is the next target again. Baba gap down. These Chinese stocks are just crazy right now. If it 81.09 can hold it, we're looking at 79.65. Low of this year was 82.45, and right now is opening below it, so that's not a good sign. 79.65 is possible to come today. Below that we can go to 78, 76, 75.37. Bidu, another gap down day. It's just been non-stop going down last like 5-6 days. So 111.32 right now is holding up. So if we can't hold there, we're looking at 107, 104, 102.58. Wait for the 4 hour MACD golden cross, then maybe it does have a bounce. It does go for a bounce up. Right now is very bearish on the 4 hour daily and weekly. And Netflix is just a monster crazy. They beat, they did everything good, and they had what do you call it, subscriber increase. They increased the price, so they just did whatever they could to have a good earning. And right now 400 mental level reached. So I had 400 calls. I sold it. So anyway, 403. The 403.84 is the next target to watch there. If it breaks that one, we're looking at 404, 406, 408. 408 if it passes. This one is on the run. It can go to 415, 423 is the next. 423.21 is the next major level. Past 403 can go can run up to 423 maybe by next week. It is crazily bullish right now on the hourly and 4 hour. Until the hourly is not dead cross, you don't see a dark blue bar, it still have chance to go higher. But be cautious playing calls or puts on it today, because if it stays flat, they're gonna kill premiums both sides. Then we'll see what's gonna happen the next day. Meta, 1 hour is golden cross, so if it runs up at open, we're looking at 320, 324.36. Tesla, craziness there. Tesla went as low as 224. It is possible to have some jump up today, but a lot of people hated the earning call, and there is a high chance goes to 207 this week. As I mentioned, either it's going to go to 272 or 207. So 226.39. If it can't hold there, we're looking at 223, 220, 219 major level. 219 is possible to come today, and if it's past 219, if I can grab these, there you go. Nope, yeah. If 219 can hold it, we're looking at 214, 210, and 207. Right now, pre-market 515 is upward. If 30 minutes MACD golden crosses and we pass let's say 230, we need to pass 230, the mental level 229.95. If we do pass that one, then maybe it can go for recovery back to 232 and higher level. But Tesla is gonna be tough today, but most likely it's gonna be some yo-yo action and up and down. And but after open, it's gonna give a solid direction, same like yesterday. At the open, it jumped up, went down a little bit up and down, then boom, it was just solid down run. And same thing most likely today. After open, maybe by 11, it's gonna have a solid direction. If for everything looking very bearish on the hourly and 4 hour, once the 1 hour golden crosses, then we can talk about a run up. But until then, there's a danger to go lower. Microsoft 3 points higher, and thanks to TSM, techs are higher. 334.25, that's a key level to watch. If passes that one, next target is 336.01, 338.85. To Google, 139.35, that's a key level to watch. 1 hour is golden cross, so if passes 139.36, we're looking at 140.62, 142.67. AMD, TSM is helping it, 104.15 if it passes that one. We're looking at 105.69, 108.18 if it goes crazy. Boeing is interesting. Last 2 days, every day is opening, jump, and then fades. Jump and fade. So maybe does it again today. If it does it again, 187.77 and 190.7 is the next target. SPY, 1 point higher, so key level this morning to watch is 432.54. If it passes that one, right now looking very bullish from 5 to 1 hour, but 4 hour we still don't have yellow bar. Plus there's a lot of Fed people talking today. 432.54 if it passes, we're looking at 433, 434, 436, 45. But again, if you see 5 minutes MACD dead crosses and 15 follows, and 431 if it passes, we can go retest lower levels again. 429, 428, 62. QQQ. 2 points higher, so key level to watch is right now 365.2. Passes that one, 367.54, almost the high of yesterday. If we pass that one, then we can go for run up to 370. But again, if you see 1530 MACD dead cross, we can roll down again, 362, 359.97. IWM, nothing exciting there. AVGO, 2 points higher, not much. Didn't affect that one. TSM at least is holding up. SMCI maybe does a jump up because of TSM, so watch that one. 291, 296 is the next target. Passes that one, 306. TLT is just every day going down. This one, it's coming up a little bit, but this one is just in general trend is downward big time. LRCX had an earning, it went down as much as 607, but right now is pulling up, so keep an eye on that one. If it goes for recovery, 640, 648 is the next target there. CRWD finally got to 191, is breaking out pre-market, so next target is 248. Gotta upgrade. GLD, still bullish there. 4 hours dead crossing, so be cautious there. What else you got here? Yeah, keep an eye on SMH. If semis goes, this is an ETF for semis. So 148.59 is the next target. Passes that one, 149, 152, 154. If semis goes crazy, and Adobe was very strong yesterday too. What else you got here? Let me see. Roku is 2 points higher. It went down crazy yesterday. So if it goes for recovery, we're looking at 65.44, and if passes that one, can go to the run up higher level. What else? LVS had earning. That's a nice jump up there. But TSM craziness. 93.46 is holding that level right now. If it jumps up more, we're looking at 94.74, 96.38, and that's pretty much it on the major names. Yeah, so right now again direction is upward pre-market. If you see 515 MACD that cross, we can roll down again, but general trend is up right now. I just don't like it that we don't have yellow bar on the SPY and ES. Once we get that, then maybe we have a more valid run up. Otherwise, be cautious. Powell is talking today. There's a lot of other Fed members talking today. It can be they can they can change direction. They can push market higher, they can push market lower. So everything they say can have a big effect. As always, if you like levels, chartweiser.com. If you want, you can sign up for the state option service, and have a lovely day. Thanks for tuning in.